Hello students, welcome back to the class. In the last class we have discussed about the National Party. We have mainly discussed about Indian National Congress. In this class we are moving forward. We will discuss about one more national party which is called as BJP party. We will study about Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay, why this party is very famous? Okay, what are the important features? Okay, what are the events? What are its history? Who were the popular people, etc. Okay, now we'll go forward. National Party. Children, already this is very important to know. National Party. But first, to know about National Party, this is very important to know what is the definition of National Party. Definition of National Party states that if any one party, if they secured 6%, okay, if one party, if they secured at least 6% of Lok Sabha seats, if any one party, if they have secured nearly 6% of Lok Sabha seats, or in assembly election, if they secured in 4 states at least 4 seats, okay, then that party will be considered as National Party. To become the National Party, at least we have to win 6% of seats in Lok Sabha. If any party were able to secure the 6% of seats in Lok Sabha election, then that party is a national party. Or else within one state, in one state if they secured 6% of seats in Lok Sabha election, then that party can be called as national party. Or on the other hand, if this party was recognized in 4 states, if any party, on the other hand, one more definition is there for national party. If any party wanted to become the national party, then the second criteria is if they recognized in 4 states and if they are able to secure 4 seats in Lok Sabha, then that party is also called as national party. So there is nearly 2 definitions for the national party. The first definitions of national party is if the party secured 6% of seats in Lok Sabha, that is a national party. If the party have secured at least, if any party have secured, if the party have secured 4 seats, 4% of seats, and that party have been recognized in 4 states, then that party can be called as national party. In second criteria, one party should be recognized in 4 different states. If they are recognized in 4 states, in that if they secured 4% of seats also, then also that party will be called as national party. Okay. Now we will discuss about the second important parties and the second which is very important party. Now this party is dominating in the politics, which is called Bharatiya Janata Party. National Party, when you are talking about national party, there are different types of party: Indian National Congress Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Bahujan Samaj Party and Communist Party of India. Now in this BJP party, this BJP party is formally launched in February 1980. So during the period of February 1980, Bharatiya Janata Party has been launched. Okay, this is one part. Second thing, this was launched under Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So this party was launched under the Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who played a very important role for the formations of this party. And elections are conducted, and what is the symbol of BJP party is lotus. Okay, lotus is the symbol of BJP party. And BJP party have a strong link with an organization which is called as Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. Okay, this is a Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, or we can find this is also called as RSS. Okay, so BJP party have a strong link with RSS. Okay, one more point. What is RSS means? Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. The main aim of RSS is to mobilize the Hindus, to unite all the Hindus from all over the world. So they wanted to unite all the Hindus from all over the world and overcome from the problem of caste and subcaste. Okay, so in our culture Hindu, okay, we wanted to overcome from the caste and subcaste, and that's why this organization was formed, which is called Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. So this is a social organization. Mainly this was formed to overcome from the problem of caste and subcaste, and RSS main aim is to develop the Hindutva ideology. Okay, they wanted to develop the ideas, political ideas of Hinduism. Okay, so this party have a strong link with Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP party, when you are saying that considerably the strength of BJP party have greatly increased in Lok Sabha after 1990. Okay, BJP party already it was formed in 1980. During these initial stages, they faced lot of problems. they used to secure the seats, Lok Sabha seats in single digits. But 1992, after completing 1992, this party comes in the double digits figure. Okay, this party are able to secure more seats in 1990 elections, and slowly the party started developing. Okay, and today when we are seeing, the BJP party was already came to power. Okay, 2014 first time they came to power. Okay, under the period of Narendra Modi. 2019 second time they came to power. Considerably, if you see, the strength of Lok Sabha have greatly increased under BJP. Now BJP have captured the power. How many times they have captured? 3 times they have captured the power. 1998 they were captured the power under Atal Bihari Vajpayee. During the period of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he is also one of the strong leader of BJP party. So under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, BJP party was formed in 1998. First government of BJP was formed in 1998. Second time the BJP have captured the power under the leadership of Narendra Modi in 2014. Okay, second time. And third time 2019, third time also the BJP captured the power under the leadership of Narendra Modi. Okay, so 3 times they came to power. First time when they came to power by the support of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, is the strong motivated leader. Okay, and second time and third time the BJP party came to the power under the leadership of Narendra Modi. Now when we are seeing the point, BJP have already formed a coalition with NDA, National Democratic Alliance. Coalition means this is also one organization, party. So BJP have made a coalition with NDA, which is called as National Democratic Alliance. It's a National Democratic Alliance is a group of opposition party. Okay, BJP party have made different type of coalitions with different party. Okay, this is also one opposition party. Okay, for example, NDA, National Conference is a part of NDA once upon a time. Shiva Sena is a party that is also a part of NDA. RJD in Bihar, that is a part of, okay, JDU is a part of NDA. Okay, so there are different small parties, they combined and they formed NDA, and BJP have made a coalition with NDA, which is called as National Democratic Alliance. So this is about some point about Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay, once again we will discuss the point. Children, first this national party definitions, any party if they wanted to become the national party, 2 criteria should be satisfied. First criteria is, if any party, if they are able to secure 6% of seats in Lok Sabha, then that party is called as national party. Or in any party in the assembly seats, if any party have been recognized in 4 states, and if the party have secured at least 4% of seats, then that party will be called as national party. Now national party have nearly many examples, like Indian National Congress is a national party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, and Communist Party of India, which is called Marxist, Communist Party of India Marxist. So they are following a principle of Karl Marx ideology. So that's why Communist Party of India Marxist. First point, when you are talking about Bharatiya Janata Party, this is one of the important party we can find. BJP was actually launched in February 1980. During the February 1980, Bharatiya Janata Party has been launched, and this was launched under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And what is the symbol of BJP party is lotus. Lotus is the symbol of BJP party. Bharatiya Janata Party have a strong link with RSS, which is called Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. RSS is also a social cultural organization. Mainly RSS is related with Hindutva ideology. So Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh is mainly deals with Hindutva ideology. Now when we are talking about BJP, 1980 when it formed, it was quietly very less popular. But slowly, as soon as when the time passes, 1990, the strength of MPs in BJP have considerably increases. The strength have greatly increases in the Lok Sabha elections. BJP party have captured the power nearly 3 times they came to the power. 1990 when they came to the power under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Okay, so Atal Bihari Vajpayee importance is he lives in Uttar Pradesh. Atal Bihari Vajpayee belongs to Uttar Pradesh and is a great spiritual leader, motivational leader who used to motivate many peoples. Okay, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee, if you see that unmarried, okay, and he is a Bharat Ratna awardee. Even Atal Bihari Vajpayee, after the death, he was awarded Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna was awarded to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So that is the importance of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next, come to the point, Narendra Modi. Now, under the leadership of Narendra Modi, also BJP captured the power in 2014 first time, and 2019 second time they captured the power under Modi. BJP have made a strong coalition. They captured the powers under the coalition government, okay, which is called as NDA, National Democratic Alliance. So BJP came to the power under NDA, under which is called National Democratic Alliance. This is a group of opposition party. That is one part. So children, we have discussed about Bharatiya Janata Party. In the next class, we will continue the same topic. Okay, thank you very much.